Canidae are dogs, foxes, fennec foxes, jackals, and other animals that are like them. There are about 36 species of canids living in different parts of our planet. It is a gray wolf. The gray wolf is a large wild dog that lives in many parts of the world. It has a gray or brown coat and is known for its howling sound. Gray wolves live in packs and are skilled hunters. It's a fox. The fox is a small animal that can be found all around the world. Foxes live in many different places like cities, forests, and deserts. Foxes have a big, fluffy tail, pointy ears, and sharp teeth. They come in different colors like red, gray, brown, and black. They like to hunt small animals like rabbits, mice, and birds. Foxes also make noises like barking and howling. It's a fennec foxes. Fennec foxes are a special kind of small fox that live in the desert. They have really big ears that help them hear well and also cool them down in the hot desert weather. Fennec foxes have orange-brown fur and white fur on their belly. Fennec foxes are good at digging, fast runners, and can jump really high too. They usually come out at night to hunt for food, which includes insects, rodents, and sometimes even small birds. Fennec foxes make a variety of sounds to communicate with each other. They have a high-pitched, squeaky bark that they use to communicate with their family members. They also make a soft purring sound when they are content or happy. It's a jackal. The jackal is a small wild dog that lives in Africa and Asia. Jackals can come in a variety of colors, including brown, tan, yellow, and gray. One species of jackal has black stripes on the sides of its body. Jackals like to hunt for small animals such as hares, rodents, as well as birds and lizards. Also, they are known for its sharp howl. It's a bush dog. The bush dog is a small wild dog that lives in parts of America. It has reddish-brown fur, a stocky build and short legs. They live in packs and hunt small animals such as rodents, birds, and fish. Bush dogs are excellent swimmers and can even dive underwater to catch prey. They are known for their high-pitched barks and growls. It's a domestic dog. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. There are a lot of dog breeds and they are very widely in shape, size, and color. Dogs perform many roles for humans, such as hunting, herding, pulling loads, protection, assisting police and the military, companionship, therapy, and aiding disabled people. Dogs are sometimes referred to as man's best friend because they are kept as domestic pets and like being around humans. They are usually playful and friendly. Domesticated dogs like to eat both meat or dog food. It's a maned wolf. The maned wolf is a wild animal from South America. It has long, thin legs and reddish-brown fur with a black mane that makes it look like it's wearing a collar. The maned wolf eats small animals like rodents, birds, and insects, but also fruits and vegetables. It's called a fox on stilts because of its long legs. The maned wolf is the only species in its genus and communicates with high-pitched barks. It's a hyena. Hyenas are wild animals that live in Africa and some parts of Asia. They are known for their strong jaws and sharp teeth, which they use to hunt for food. Hyenas eat a variety of foods like as small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. They are also known to steal food from other animals. Hyenas have short fur that can be gray, brown, or black in color. They also have rounded ears and a long snout. Hyenas are very vocal animals and make sounds such as giggling, cackling, and growling. They usually live in groups called clans and are very social animals. It's a raccoon dog. The raccoon dog is a wild animal that lives in Asia and Europe. It looks like a mix between a raccoon and a dog. It has a furry body with a pointed snout and sharp teeth. Raccoon dogs have a distinct black mask around their eyes, which makes them look like they're wearing a bandit's mask. They eat small animals like rodents, birds, and fish, as well as fruit and insects. They are also good climbers, able to climb trees, and good swimmers. Raccoon dogs make a variety of sounds including barks, growls, whines, and even screams. It's a coyote. Coyotes are wild animals that look like a mix between a dog and a wolf. They have tan or gray fur, a long snout, and pointy ears. Coyotes are found all across North America, from the deserts to the forests. Coyotes are really smart and adaptable. They can eat almost anything, from small animals to fruit and plants. They are also good at hunting and can run up to 40 miles per hour. Coyotes are known for their howls, which they use to communicate with each other. Their howls can be really loud and sound like a spooky song. Sometimes you might hear them barking or yipping too.